The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern White County and southeastern Illinois, southwestern Gibson County, Posey County, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carmi, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grayville, Poseville, New Harmony, Crossville, Cynthiana, Blairsville, Griffin, Money, and Phillipstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 126 and 130. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Illinois and southwestern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Gibson, Indiana,